In the same pan, add butter, minced garlic, tomato sauce, a splash of heavy cream, garam masala, and a pinch of chili powder. Stir until smooth and creamy.
Start with bite-sized chicken pieces, add yogurt and lemon juice. Add garlic, ginger, garam masala, paprika, salt, and a little oil. Mix well and let it marinate.
Add the cooked chicken back into the sauce and toss everything together. Look at that creamy, delicious butter chicken.
Add the cooked chicken back into the sauce and toss everything together. Look at that creamy, delicious butter chicken.
I'm adding a generous scoop of butter chicken right into the shell. Then we sprinkle on some fresh cilantro, onions, and finally this creamy mint sauce.
Warm up crispy taco shells. Fill them with butter chicken, then top with fresh cilantro, diced onions, and a drizzle of creamy mint sauce.